Today we're having a Customer Appreciation Day to thank all of our customers for their support throughout the year. We'd like them to understand that Roland Machinery is here to meet their needs, whether it's sales, rental, parts, or service. We have 14 service technicians. 13 of those are in field trucks, so field service is a large part of what we do, along with in-shop guys. So I have a good staff here. We're a good tight-knit group. We have a line of equipment to support construction needs, from the small guys paving driveways all the way to large machines working in our quarry and aggregate industries. We have the new Komatsu PC220 LC-12 excavator, latest and greatest excavator from Komatsu. It's a new release. We also have the WA475-11 wheel loader, which is the latest and greatest model in our wheel loader line. We also have the LeeBoy 1000G paver. LeeBoy has been a great partner with Roland Machinery over the years. We're going to be providing lunch as a thank you. We'll have different giveaways for the customers from our various manufacturers that we represent here at Roland Machinery.
I'm the service coordinator here at Roland Machinery at the Portage, Indiana branch. We have a very knowledgeable and highly trained staff. Our techs, I believe, are the best in the business. I like to pride ourselves on that. I mainly want customers to know that we're here for them and to help them in any way possible.
Territory manager, so outside sales for heavy equipment, and we do new equipment, used equipment, and rental equipment. Komatsu is coming out with some new and exciting equipment, and we're here to support that equipment. We also have pavers, hom rollers, milling machines, cleaning, crushing, and screening. So anything and everything, I think, from broad spectrum. You need it, we have it.
We have some great partnerships with our customers, and we want them to know how much we appreciate their business and that we're here for them.